Have you ever been gaslighted by an AI? You know, when it promises the world and then says, check back in a few days. That's the moment you realize, AI can be terrible software, but surprisingly good at mimicking people. Take my friend who asked ChatGPT to build a custom tool for his construction business. A jumped in, all enthusiastic, then hit him with, give me a couple of days. I couldn't help but laugh. When I says check back later, it's really saying, I can't do this. Here's the secret. The best AI users aren't coders, they're coaches. Treat AI like a talented but naive teammate. Start with context engineering. Don't just ask it to write a sales email. Upload your brand voice and say, craft this in my style. That's how you get personalized magic instead of generic fluff. Add chain of thought reasoning. Tell it to walk you through its thinking. This forces AI to think deeper, not just guess. Want brutal feedback? Assign roles. Ask it to be a harsh critic. Feed it your best examples and role-play tough conversations. Remember, AI mirrors you. Lazy input, lazy output, but coach it well, and it amplifies your smarts. It's bad software but good people, so unleash its potential by being a great coach.